KomyMirror.
Sorry.
In building hallways and corridors, there are many situations where person A cannot see person B. So we developed a wide-view, flat-surface KomyMirror to make the hallway safer and solve this common problem of potential collisions. KomyMirrors are unlike normal mirrors. It projects a wide view like a convex mirror, but with a flat surface. Let's compare mirrors. Take a look at the viewing area of the conventional mirror. Now, look at the wide view the KomyMirrors project. KomyMirrors are ideal for installing in busy hallways and corridors. Unlike convex mirrors, which are usually installed near the ceiling, KomyMirrors can be easily installed at eye level. With the wide view reflection, potential accidents can be prevented, and it makes it safe to pass each other. We have a product for wide corridors too. We divided our large mirror into two parts, with a wide view in one direction. In this case, we installed each of these mirrors closer to the crossing path and not in the center of the corridor. Our new KomyMirrors are available in multiple product sizes: small, medium, large, extra large, medium one-directional. These mirrors are intended for indoor use and are perfect for busy office spaces, commercial and industrial buildings, and hospitals. With KomyMirrors, you'll never have to worry about bumping into anyone in your hallway again.